Good morning friends, good morning students. Today we will discuss the differences between hexokinase and glucokinase. To remember it, remember the mnemonic that hexokinase is a helicopter, right? And glucokinase is a jet, right? Right? So first of all, we start with the first difference, right? Hexokinase is operative in all the monosaccharides, right? Like glucose, fructose, galactose, and mannose, right? And in case of glucokinase, it is specific for glucose all, right? Now coming on to the second point, it has high affinity for glucose, right? High affinity. And it has low affinity. Right? And the third is, since it has high affinity, so it has low Km and it has high Km. Right? Now I already told that hexokinase is a helicopter and glucokinase is a jet, right? Now coming on to the fourth point, that it can act on low glucose concentration, right? But this fourth, glucokinase, will come into action only when the blood glucose is greater than 100 milligram per cent. Now to remember these 4 points, I told the mnemonic that hexokinase is a helicopter and glucokinase is a jet, right? So hexokinase is, it is a helicopter. Helicopter can take off at any time. Immediately it can fly into the air, right? But in case of jet, it has to run along the runway, then it will fly, right? But the difference between helicopter and jet is that helicopter can take minimum number of or maximum number of 12 to 13 or 15 passengers, right? But glucokinase can take, since it is a jet, it can take up to 100 passengers or 200 passengers as well, right? So we will apply this mnemonic here to remember this. So hexokinase was helicopter, so it has high affinity, right? H for hexokinase, H for high affinity, and hexokinase is available for all the hexoses, right? And glucokinase is glucose specific, right? And since it is a jet and it takes time to fly off, right? So helicopter will come into action first when we have low blood glucose concentration below 100, right? So when low blood glucose concentration is there, hexokinase will come into action because it is a helicopter, because it can take small amount of glucose and it will fly immediately, right? But in case of jet, it takes time to take off, right? So when blood glucose concentration increases above 100 milligram per cent and there is well fed state, so at that time the jet will come into action, that is our glucokinase, right? So glucokinase will take large number of glucose molecules and it can fly after takeoff on the runway, right? So when blood glucose concentration is above 100, glucokinase will work, and when it is low concentration, hexokinase will work, right? So that makes a difference. Now coming on to the next points. Now coming on to the fifth point, that is, it is active in all tissues, right? And this one is active in pancreas and liver, right? Now coming on to the next point, it is inhibited by glucose 6 phosphate. right? And it is not inhibited by glucose 6 phosphate, right? And this is non-inducible enzyme, and it is inducible enzyme, right? So that finishes with our major differences between hexokinase and glucokinase. So thanks a lot. Please like the channel and subscribe the channel. Best wishes. Keep on studying. God bless.